Well, when somebody makes any allegation, that someone has to show us evidence.
Yes.
Until such time, those are mere allegations.
He's a former
Even
DFA
then, it doesn't mean
secretary.
anything. Even if he's a former president of the Philippines, his statement will have to be backed up by evidence.
But will you look into this?
Oh,
This
as
is a
I
serious,
said,
this
he
is a
has
serious
to.
allegation.
He can write us a formal letter and then attach their documents, and then we will respond.
Is the palace still in touch with Mr. Yasay?
As far as I know, no. He has not gotten in touch with us.
But do you expect him to present any
That should
documents?
be asked of him, but not of us.
Do you want to urge him to communicate with
That's
you on
for
this
him to
matter?
decide. We will not preempt whatever he has in mind.
But in case you will be looking into
Of course,
this,
they're always open to, as I said, this administration always welcome any information relative to anomaly, scandal, corruption. But you have to tell us
thank you, sir.
officially and with evidence to back up your allegation.